Yeah, it's great.
Hey guys, my name is Trofort Wilson, and here's another photo shoot breakdown. All right, now first and foremost, this handsome, attractive model is my cousin. So ladies, watch what you say in the comments. But on a serious note, I got the amazing opportunity to photograph my cousin, who's a college athlete, and we wanted to build his fitness modeling portfolio. So with this photo shoot, I used a Sony A9. I was tethered using the tether cord to capture one, and I used the Godox lighting kit. And one of the big things that I really want to highlight in this photography session that you guys can see in the behind the scenes video is my use of grids. Grids are one of the best accessories for your modifiers that a lot of people I realize don't know a lot about. A lot of photographers would ask me questions about how can you control the light better, and the best accessory for that is utilizing grids. I have grids for my medium strips, for my octabank, for my beauty dish, and for my reflectors, especially when I'm using colored gels. I love to use grids because it allows me to focus and control where my light is hitting and making sure that it doesn't spill anywhere else. So if you want to control your light better, make sure you add some grids to your lighting kit.